Welcome to AutoCAD. Today I gonna show you how to export AutoCAD text to Excel using Autolisp. Before starting this video, I requested to my viewers to please subscribe my channel, and if this video is helpful, please like this video. So let's get started. To export text from AutoCAD to Excel, first open an Excel file, then go to the AutoCAD and command upload. Then select this TN143 Autolisp file and click load. Here in this box you will see that our Autolisp file has successfully loaded. Then close it. Then command text to XLS. Then click on the text which you wanted to export. See, my data has exporting in the Excel. Then save as the data, select a folder and give a name of this data, then save. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.